In Hawkins Cookers Limited vs. Murugan Enterprises, 2012, 5-0, PTC 389, the Delhi High Court addressed a trademark infringement dispute. Hawkins Cookers Limited, the registered proprietor of the trademark, Hawkins, for pressure cookers and their parts, including gaskets, filed a suit against Murugan Enterprises. The issue arose because Murugan Enterprises, which manufactured and sold gaskets under its own trademark, MAYUR, printed the phrase, suitable for Hawkins pressure cookers, on its packaging, with the word, Hawkins, in red, while the rest was in black. Key facts. Hawkins argued that this use of their trademark constituted infringement under Section 29 of the Trademarks Act, 1999, as it could confuse consumers and imply a trade connection with Hawkins, potentially harming their reputation due to lack of quality control over Murugan's products. Murugan Enterprises contended that their use of Hawkins was not as a trademark but merely to indicate compatibility of their gaskets with Hawkins pressure cookers. They prominently displayed their own Mayur trademark and peacock logo on the packaging. Court's ruling. The single-judge bench initially dismissed Hawkins' plea, holding that Murugan's use of Hawkins was not in a trademark sense but only to show compatibility, falling under the exception in Section 32(d) of the Trademarks Act. This section allows the use of a registered trademark to indicate that goods are adapted for use with the trademark goods, provided it does not suggest a trade connection. The court found no evidence of consumer confusion or deception, as Murugan clearly displayed its own trademark and manufacturer details, and the phrase was in small print on the packaging. On appeal, the division bench, Justices Pradeep Nandrajog and Siddharth Mridul, upheld the single judge's decision on April 13, 2012. They emphasized that Murugan's use was honest, reasonably necessary, to indicate compatibility, and did not unfairly exploit Hawkins' goodwill. Significance. The case clarified that using a registered trademark to indicate product compatibility does not constitute infringement under the Trademarks Act, 1999, if done honestly and without implying a trade connection. The court applied the test of honesty, drawing from the English case *Actibologit Volvo vs. Heritage, Leicester, Limited, assessing objective facts to determine the defendant's intent. This ruling is significant for trademark law, particularly in cases involving spare parts or compatible accessories, balancing the rights of trademark owners with fair use by third-party manufacturers. If you need specific details from the judgment or further analysis, let me know. Web links. No infringement if mark not used in trademark sense. Web links. Edit 10.4324 9,780,429,316,395 15. Right Trader India use another trader mark way reasonably neck Esari Raman Mittal.